Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Isengard here, and we are back with another YouTube video. And today we have Facecam, so you can see this also YouTuber.
Cybertron can subscribe.
Check out his videos. He does Xbox One Mixer streams. He does some really good videos, and yeah, let's get going. We are playing Happy Wheels today, as always. Episode 3. I messed up there.
My account name is actually New Drago 34. That's all it is.
New Drago 34. Any special things you have to add for that? As
Yeah.
his ad goes?
Yeah, subscribe. I'm new, so I really don't have any subscribers. I had to delete mine because, I had to start over. So you guys, subscribe, come to my channel. I don't really have much started, but I will have something.
So yeah. So we are going to do a little bottle flip. So, I always like updates because they always mean new stuff. So, wait, Don,
that's what we
wait. I don't know how to see your name. I'm sorry for that, but you are on YouTube, so there you go. Your video, your
1 star.
yeah. So, being the legit self I always get the best throws. See?
Are you sure about that? Yeah.
Tell you. Okay. I vote 2 stars. There you go. So yeah, I have. If you want to see another collaboration video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you can comment down below and see. That will tell me if you want to make another collaboration video.
I had that. I literally had that one bottle. So
Now this one's 3.5 stars, so that means good.
okay,
See, always good.
we got ketchup and mustard.
Bam. See,
Bad.
always the best.
You got normal.
Always the best.
If you got there, this is literally removed from the internet. I'm expecting.
Yeah, remove the internet.
What the fuck?
Catch yourself there. I'm a kid-friendly user myself. Gotta catch yourself there.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No.
You got easy.
I got easy.
Nice.
I got easy. I didn't want to
Yes.
get easy. I wanted to get beast mode. Or get removed from the internet.
Yes. So this one, 4.5 stars. That's good. I didn't catch your name there. Let's see what it was. Conti X Game. Please rate the level 5. Sure. I haven't even started it yet. So there's your 5.
Don't forget.
Oh! 5 stars. That's already, I give you 5 stars. That gives me the good luck. I was about to say, oh my god.
Oh, that would have been good.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, make
Let's
sure
go with
you
our
guys
last
subscribe
bottle.
to all those Wow.
So, that was my last shot.
That was.
I mean, it won't even. I'm gonna save that replay there. There. This video will probably be uploaded tomorrow, or if you're watching right now, it is today. So, yeah. Let's restart. Let's get Cybertron's turn. So, let's see what he gets.
Noob.
Always noob.
No, never.
He got hard. Okay. Then he gets in the big man. This guy's 6 foot tall, so that kind of explains itself.
One. You might have got impossible, but I got hard.
I got WTF impossible.
Yeah.
Auto flip auto.
What the?
Everyone loves
What the heck?
the
Oh!
auto bottle flips.
Oh!
Auto. Bam.
Oh! Look at
Look,
bang, bang,
that's how
bang,
good
bang,
I am.
bang.
I'm very good at bottle flips, so I just had that. Yeah,
It just glitched.
so. So, let's do another, let's do a, don't move. I love don't moves.
Yes.
Now,
don't
let's
move.
do a
Now
hard
that, you guys, is really intense.
don't.
You literally just spelled don't move.
So,
Whoa.
actually, we're gonna do a heart donation. Because, heart donations are the best. So, donate hearts. See? Also, you gotta donate your legs, too.
Wow, let's donate our legs.
See?
That was actually kind of weird.
A little weird.
Yeah, that's gonna need some work.
Yeah,
Look at
let's
this
do
totally
this one.
fat lady.
Yeah. Let's actually do this one.
Whoa!
Already starting way into the powerful boosters.
Yo! Whoa!
Okay, I'm starting to like this.
Yeah,
It had a good start, yeah. With those spikes. There you go. With the turbo.
I'm actually kind of liking this one right here. This is actually pretty neat.
Yes.
Like right when you think, oh, it's done for, it just keeps on going.
Yeah.
Oh, third time's a charm. Third time's a charm.
Third time's a charm.
Ah!
Oh, no.
In this case, fourth time's a charm.
There we are. Yep.
Timed it. Perfect.
Timed
guys.
it. Heart donation.
Dang, you're just gonna chop him up with a butcher knife? You guys are brutal.
Yeah, okay.
The mole man has grudge control.
Okay, always, we should always play
donate
4
hearts.
stars with the wheelchair guy.
Oh god.
There we go.
Fat man. Black fat. Damn. Jesus. Where did Heart go?
No, I can't write it. There it is. Where is it? There it is.
And then we just.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Now that.
Oh, that was legit.
Yeah,
That
was legit.
That's like some legit stuff right
Now, Segway guy, this is what he gets for chopping up that man with the butcher knife.
there. Yeah.
So there you go, stabbed right through the side. Oh, dang.
Jesus.
L-O-L.
Wow. Whoa, dude. Well, it's payback.
Yep, payback. You get that bungee.
Bungee cord.
Bam. Okay. Head. Look at that head. Bop. 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 I want this to kind of hurry up because our time is kind of going out. So,
Nothing but net. Oh!
hurry up on this.
Oh!
Flips. Hearts can do bottom flips, guys.
Whoa! Rejected from the fans, dude.
I know, right?
Fans, don't reject your heart. That was a really bad pun. You guys know where I was trying to go with that one.
Okay, here's the end. Just about the end.
Yup.
The ending is good.
And
It's good.
We won.
It took 74.
Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.